Hello Atlanta Dance Central. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to make your high ponytail for our dance recital. So we're going to start by brushing out the hair, and when you do this you want to brush it back, so getting rid of any sort of part, just starting to work the hair towards the back of the head. For our high ponytail, the place where we're aiming for is kind of the crown of the head. So to find that, you can follow the line from the point of their chin underneath their ears and kind of draw an imaginary line up to the top of their head. That sounds kind of weird, but that you can kind of see where I'm going for here. So if I was following her chin all the way behind the ear and then up to the top of the head, that is where the ponytail should be. And then once you have it nice and smooth, you can go ahead and wrap your ponytail holder around it. I recommend, if you're doing just a ponytail for a performance, I recommend using 2 hair ties around it. So you didn't see me put a second hair tie in, but we did, just to make sure it's nice and secure and it's not going anywhere. Then we're going to brush out the ponytail, making sure it's nice and smooth and tightening it up. And then we'll go in with some hairspray and a boar bristle brush to really make sure that it's nice and smooth and everything is slicked back. So use as much hairspray as you need. If you have a lot of baby hairs, you could go in with a little bit of hair gel. That's a great way too. Alyssa didn't have too many baby hairs, so we just used some hairspray to slick everything back, and don't be afraid to use your hands or your brush. And then I had her kind of hold her ponytail forward so that I could do the back of her head too. Don't forget to do the back. And that's pretty much it with our ponytail. Simple style, nothing too hard. Then I'm just showing you how to put in your hair piece. So if it says on the front of your head, I usually put like in picture on our costume sheets, that's how it would be. So think like Minnie Mouse. And then if it says on the side, we want to put it on the left side, and it would look like this. So not far from the ponytail, but kind of just angled on the left side of the head.